Hello everyone, welcome to my channel IU Analytics Academy. Today we are going to learn about the calculate function in Power BI. We will understand what exactly the calculate function is, where to use and how to use with practical example. So let's get started. So we have a data set here and you can have a look. And I just wanted to know what is the total sale for laptop product. So we'll just go through this and we'll have a look. So when I select a card and when I add sales here, it will show me the overall sales. 894K is total sales, which I'm seeing here. Now, instead of that, I just wanted to add only the laptop sale. So let me just go to home ribbon. In this, you'll be finding new measure. You just need to click on new measure here. You'll get a formula bar. And then you have to rewrite this measure name. Then you'll be using here the formula called calculate. So calculate will give you the expression and filter. So expression is nothing but sum of sales and what you want to filter. I want to filter product equals to double quotes and laptop and close a bracket. Once after doing this, you just select this card and you click on this and you'll be finding this values. 45K is your laptop sale. So if you want to cross check, let me just show you here. I'm adding a table and I'm selecting here product information, the column called product, and I'm selecting sales. And you can clearly see laptop 45,000, which is showing you here 45K. So this is how you can use calculate formula. So what exactly the calculate is doing here is the calculate function is used to modify the filter context of the calculation in DAX. So we have written a DAX formula to modify, the filter context. So we have filter product name. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe for more videos.